Pex toolkit, whether you're using 3/8, ½ inch, 3/4, or inch Pex. All 4 sizes is in this kit. You got your pipe cutters. Most importantly, these ring cutters so you can reuse your Pex fittings. There will be a link in the description if you would like to have one like it. Take our pipe cutters, cut it off. Now we're going to see how well this tool works. Cut that ring off. Slide it up in now and squeeze. Cut it on the other side, squeeze. That is worth it. This is really worth the price. I'm using 3/4 Pex pipe, so I need to change the insert because this is a 3/8. I need to change that to a 3/4, so it's easy to change out. Flip that up, and you see how the inserts will just come out. Inserts will come out. Get a 3/4. All I do is slide that into place right there. Flip that tab down. I'm going to show you from the other side. Flip that tab down just like that. Put this insert on the other side. Once you get that insert in now, flip that tab down. Now you're ready to crimp 3/4. Put your crimp on there, just crimp it.